General, please.
Hello.
Honorable speakers, honorable members, all arise to national anthem.
विनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद.
Now all the honorable members of the House will stand in silence for a short while as a mark of respect to the former President APJ Abdul Kalam or any other President. Please sit down. Honorable members, a very good morning to all of you. I welcome you all to the National Youth Parliament session. We begin today's session with a oath of affirmation of our newly elected members. Mr. Krishna and Kumari Gayatri Tanushri, who stands elected from Madurai constituency of Tamil Nadu state, will now take an oath of affirmation of our newly elected members. Mr. Krishna, Kumari Gayatri and Tanushri, in which language would you like to take the oath?
English language.
Secretary General hands over a copy of the form of oath in the language.
In the name of God,
In the name of God,
I will bear
the
the faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, on by law, established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of my country, that I will faithfully and discharge the duties upon which I am about to enter.
At the outset of this youth parliament session, I congratulate all the respected and designated youth parliament ministers. Good morning, respected ministers of treasury bench, non-treasury bench, respected correspondent of BCHS Shri Vinod Jadhav Sir Garu, dear parents, ladies and gentlemen. I, Akansha, acting as speaker of this youth parliament session, it is an incredible honor to welcome you all on the occasion with such a significance. Bharat is a unique country in many ways, including its geography. Its location is such that it is located in the Hridaya Sthanam. Hridaya can be described as Hill plus Da plus Yam. Hill meaning the hierarchy, that is to root out the bad things. Da meaning the Yati, to give back as good. Yam meaning the Yati, that is to resolve. As said, we cannot always build the future for our youth, but we can build our youth for the future. Thank you one and all for being so positive and graceful. Jai Hind. May I now ask Secretary General of this youth parliament session, Kumari Aishwarya, to give opening greetings to all.
Her Excellency Speaker, Madam, respected resident ministers, member of the House, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, well-wishers, and my dear friends, and my dear parents, permit me to begin by expressing how deeply honored I, Aishwarya, Secretary General of this Youth Parliament Session 2023 to 2024, Right Concept High School, feel privilege of addressing this noble and august of first Youth Parliament Session. I warmly welcome you all. In concluding, to take this opportunity to acknowledge the support that I have received from the entire fraternity of Right Concept High School. Last but not least, together I can believe we can join the rest of the world community of nations in creating the momentum for more prosperous, more just and more peaceful world. जब जिंदगी दूसरा मौका दे तो ईश्वर को धन्यवाद जरूर देना. थैंक यू.
Now, may I ask the Honorable Prime Minister of this Youth Parliament session, Shri Mr. Aditya Raj Thakur, to convey message and opening remarks to the House.
Good morning, Honorable Speaker, Deputy Speaker of Youth Parliament, here present, Honorable Members of Parliament, Your Excellency, the Secretary General of Youth Parliament. Today, Your Excellency, Member of Diplomatic Corps, Member of Press, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, on the behalf of entire fraternity of Bright Concept High School, I welcome you all for the first National Youth Parliament Session 2023-24. Allow me to thank one and all today. We all agree that a strong and efficient parliament is essential to one democratic development, and all of us are unitedly working very hard for securing peace and developing for all. The theme of this assembly is regenerating democracy, giving voice of youth. There are 4 techniques to bring attention of our youth parliament. Group discussion, socio-drama and role-playing, use of sociogram and divide sociometer, application of action research. Main approach, what does a good citizen know and what does he know to do it, and where we are committed to do it in a democratic way. Honorable Speaker, respected Treasury Bench and non-Treasury Bench member, today I feel proud to introduce my fellows elected ministers who have just taken oath of sovereignty and integrity of my country. Thank you, Jai Hind.
May I now request Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Anurag Yadav, to give a short summary to the session of this Youth Parliament 2023-2024.
Honorable Speaker. As the Interior Ministry of India, it is mainly responsible for the maintenance of internal security and domestic policy. Today I am here to present long-term rehabilitation fund during natural disaster.
Indian ministers to the House, the Treasury Bench and the non-Treasury Bench of the House, we now move to the question hour. Respected Home Minister will answer query to Neetu Kumari, who is member of non-Treasury.
And respected members of the House, may I know from the Home Minister of this government, does your government really care for the people who lost their homes and shelter whenever there is a natural disaster? आपकी सरकार गृह मंत्रालय और अन्य सुविधाओं के बारे में जानकारी देने के लिए निवेदन करती हूँ मैं.
Honorable Speaker, Madam, we are responsible for the response for natural calamities and man-made disaster, except drought, appendix, and other. The division is also responsible for the legislation and long-term rehabilitation.
Honorable Speaker, may I know from the Home Minister that will the Home Minister clarify income tax exemption and net banking system in border areas? All we wanted to know from your government that net banking system and security in border areas to women and children is a very serious concern. सिर्फ बातें ही या कुछ करते भी हैं. माननीय होम मिनिस्टर, फैक्ट्स बताइए, फैक्ट्स.
मैडम स्पीकर, हम वही कहते हैं जो हमें सही तरीके से करना आता है, जो आपकी सरकार ने अधूरा छोड़ा था. Donations are exemption through BHIM, UPI, VPA, PMNRF, its central bank, credit cards, debit cards, net banking, accounts of Indian banks only. Also, we have issued fresh Kisan cards to the farmers. All contribution towards PMNRF are exemption from income tax under section 80G. Security to women and children is our topmost priority. All the states have been issued to work and act swiftly and quickly. Special teams of QTZ and she teams are there in every state.
Madam Speaker, may I know from the respected Home Minister, does long-term rehabilitation plan really works on the ground? And what about the relief funds? Does the funds really reach to the people who are actually suffering and their homes are destroyed?
Madam Speaker, the Prime Minister National Relief Fund PMNRF was established entirely with public contribution and does not get any budgetary support. The resources of PMNRF was utilized to render immediate relief to families of those killed in natural disasters like cyclones, earthquakes, etc.
Unlike the similar situations In what one nation Indian students suffered problems in evacuation? May I know from the respected minister, why do not the government react quickly? Why always delay in evacuation?
Madam Speaker, our relationship with all countries are diplomatic and bilateral. Around 22,500 Indians started evacuation. Its citizens from Ukraine such as Poland, Hungary, Romania and other countries. From February 26, a total of 90 evacuation flights were operated under Operation Ganga.
Honorable Speaker Madam, क्या आपका मंत्रालय यूनाइटेड नेशंस में कोई बॉर्डर डिस्प्यूट इश्यू को इंगेज किया है? Why do not we send strong and clear cut message to dispute areas to our neighbors?
Honorable Speaker Madam, as we all know, India joined the United Nations Security Council for a non-permanent tenure on 1st January 2021. India's engagement with China conflicts. The two sides difference have agreed to manage their differences and not allow differences or any issue to become dispute and to maintain peace and tranquility in the border areas is an essential basic to the overall development of bilateral relationship.
We have border dispute issue with neighbor and any long-term plan to make all the dispute issue government solve in future or not?
Madam Speaker, our government is seriously participating in engaging dialogues with regional partners and those 6th session, 5th Asian Ministerial Conference addressed for urgent reform on inclusion of India's voice on his decision-making structure. Our relations with neighbors are multilateral economics, cyber diplomacy and also policy planning and strategic technology.
Madam Speaker, I have one more question to ask.
Respected House Member Neetu, Honorable Home Minister has given enough information, so no supplementaries of any question.
I have an objection, ma'am.
Objection overruled.
But I have an objection. I want to know more information from the respected Home Minister.
Please maintain the Parliament decorum. Question number 1 or 2. Finance Minister will answer query 2. Mahi Yadav, who is member of non-treasury bench.
Honorable Speaker Madam and respected House members, Ministry of Finance. सोचने से कहाँ मिलते हैं तमन्नाओं के शहर, सोचने से कहाँ मिलते हैं तमन्नाओं के शहर, चलने की जिंदगी जरूरी है मंजिल पाने के लिए। हमारी योजनाएं तो बहुत सारी हैं, पर मैं कुछ ही महत्वपूर्ण योजनाओं के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। हमारी योजनाएं नारी शक्ति, हर घर में पीने का साफ पानी और सबको भरपेट भोजन। माननीय कुमारी माही यादव, हमारी सरकार प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना PMJDY, प्रधानमंत्री वाया वंदना योजना PMVVY, अटल पेंशन योजना।
Madam Speaker,
Mahi Yadav, Madam, you can ask your supplementary question once the Finance Minister completes her reading and budgetary information.
but I have an objection, Madam Speaker.
Okay, proceed.
Madam Speaker, all this mentioned financial schemes doesn't reach really more and maximum number of people. क्या आपका बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ मिशन पूरी तरह से फेल हो चुका है? कितने बातें करती हैं आप मैडम? सिर्फ बातें ही करती हैं, कुछ करती तो है नहीं। Financial schemes or protection of their monetary.
Honorable Madam Speaker, under the scheme a loan of up to ₹50,000 is given under a sub-scheme Shishu and between 50,000 to 5.0 lakhs is given under a sub-scheme Kishore and between 5.0 lakhs to 10.0 lakhs is given under a sub-scheme Tarun. Loans do not require collaterals. More than 29.43 crore bank accounts opened so far. Benefits 1 lakh accident insurance and cover money can be transferred in any account of India. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana under the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign. This campaign is to meet the education and marriage expenses of a girl child. जिसके पास पैसा होता है उनके सब करीब होते हैं, जिसके पास पैसा होता है उनके सब करीब होते हैं, उनका कोई नहीं होता जो गरीब होते हैं और हर गरीब के साथ हम हैं।
बातें तो बहुत कर लेती है आप मैडम, बट काम कुछ नहीं करती। Madam Speaker, may I know from the Finance Minister what will happen when the child is measured and how can a girl child meet her educational requirement? क्या फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर के पास ऐसे कोई भी मास्टर प्लान है हमारी माताओं के लिए, हमारे बच्चों के लिए और हमारी बहनों के लिए? मैडम स्पीकर, मैं भी एक औरत हूँ। मुझे पता है कि हमारी बेटियों के लिए क्या सही क्या गलत है। बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ कैंपेन, ये जो कैंपेन है आज हर गली और हर घर में गूंज रहा है। The account can be closed only when the girl turns 21. If the account is not closed and if the money is not closed and if the money is not withdrawn, interest can still be earned on the amount. The account can be opened and operated by a parent or a guardian as soon as a girl turns 10. Up to 50% of the balance can be withdrawn to meet educational requirements of the girl after she turns 18. सिर्फ बातें ही नहीं, कुछ करती भी हैं। Madam Speaker, may I know from the Finance Minister, what about senior citizens and elderly disabled widows and people with disabilities in the form of pensions? इसके बारे में आप कुछ कहना चाहती हैं या अभी भी मौन व्रत धारण कर रखा है? माननीय, मैं आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता दूं कि हमने कोई मौन व्रत धारण नहीं कर रखा है। Honorable Madam Speaker, anyone above 60 years and below the poverty line BPL widows who fall in the age group of 40 to 64, BPL people with more than 80% disability and are above 18 years. Madam Speaker, we have also revamped a version of midday meal Madhyan Bhojan Yojana to provide free lunch to school children. Poshan Abhiyan was launched and grouped under the umbrella scheme Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0. Now, our today's bill we are presenting ration and bank accounts for all. जरूरी नहीं रोशनी चिरागों से ही हो, जरूरी नहीं रोशनी चिरागों से ही हो, शिक्षा से भी घर रोशन होते हैं। Thank you.
Those who are in the favor of the government, please say A. A. Those against the government, please say nay. Nay. We have 50:20 ratio, and I think the A's have it, the A's have it, the A's have it. And the motion moved.
Very sorry to interrupt you. Youth Parliament session, Right Concept High School, Kishore Sabha 2022-2023. We got 2 observers. It gives me much pleasure to welcome the correspondent and MPP of Rajayapet, Vidyam Sudha High School, Lion K. Srinivas Reddy Garu. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir, for accepting this as a token of honor. Also, Principal Sudha Madam, thank you for this session, for accepting our Youth Parliament as a token of love. And over to you.
Question number 103. Railway Minister will answer query to Aditya Kumar, who is member of non-treasury bench.
Honorable Madam Speaker, will the Honorable Railway Minister please state that what has the government done regarding the basic amenities for people of the country? माननीय रेलवे मंत्री, आपने कितने वादे किए थे और कितनों को आपने पूरा किया है ये आप अच्छी तरह जानती हैं, हमें कहने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। आप जानती हैं ना, आपने कितने अभियान शुरू किए थे और कितने आपके पूरे हुए हैं। आपने कहाँ रेलवे ट्रैक्स बनाए हैं? मुझे लगता है कि आपने अपने सपनों की दुनिया में रेलवे ट्रैक्स बनाए हैं, हकीकत तो कुछ और है। आपका वो स्वच्छ अभियान कहाँ तक पहुँचा है? बोलिए।
अपने आपकी सरकार ने देखी है उसे भी पूरा किया है और जो सपने अधूरे रह गए हैं उसे भी पूरा किया है और जो सपने हम देखते हैं उसे भी पूरा करते हैं। समझ गए आप?
मैडम स्पीकर, मैं आपसे हाथ जोड़कर कह रहा हूँ ये कहना बंद कर दीजिए कि जो सपने हमने देखे थे, जो सपने देख रहे हैं और जो सपने अधूरे रहे उसे आपने पूरा किया है। नहीं, आपने नहीं किया है। जो सपने हमने देखे थे उससे आपने बड़ी जोर डालने पे किया है, तो ये कहना बंद कर दीजिए। और आप वो क्या सपने पूरे करेंगे जो हम देख रहे हैं और अधूरे रह गए हैं, बताइए।
Honorable Speaker, Madam, our government is highly concerned regarding this matter. 200 railway stations are brought under other station schemes with basic amenities, toilets, drinking water, canteen services, waiting rooms, 750 bio toilets, 7,000 old toilets to bio toilets under Swachh Railway Bharat programs having professionals to clean the stations, washrooms, restrooms. Madam Speaker, we have also started Mission 2025. 400 Vande Bharat trains, 100 will be ready very soon.
मैडम स्पीकर, आपने टॉयलेट बनाने से क्या आपका वो स्वच्छ अभियान पूरा हुआ? आप लोग ना सिर्फ नाम के हो, काम के नहीं। Do you know that the black market of reserved rail is another serious matter? क्या आपकी सरकार सो रही है? हाँ, बताइए कुछ। अगर इंग्लिश में मैं नहीं आता तो ब्लैक मार्केट एक बहुत सीरियस मुद्दा है। सड़क हो या संसद की आशा नहीं दिखता है, सड़क हो या संसद आशा नहीं दिखता है, भ्रष्टाचार इतना है कि विकास नहीं दिखता है। कितना भ्रष्टाचार करेंगे आप, कितना बताइए कुछ।
ब्लैक मार्केटिंग और भ्रष्टाचार ये मुद्दा बहुत ही सीरियस इशू
मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, मैं भी यही कह रहा हूँ कि ब्लैक मार्केट बहुत सीरियस मुद्दा है, आप भी वही कह रही हैं, इससे क्या फायदा है?
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, लेट मी कंप्लीट माय पॉइंट। मैं भी यही बोलना चाह रही हूँ कि
मैंने क्या कहा था फिर?
Respected House Member Aditya Kumar, it's Railway Minister's turn to complete. So please maintain the Parliament decorum. ब्लैक मार्केटिंग और भ्रष्टाचार ये मुद्दा बहुत ही सीरियस इशू है। इसको मिटाने के लिए हम हर कदम में जनता के साथ हैं। Our government has started an initiative in this regard called the Yatri Ticket Suvidha Kit. To curb the black marketing of reserved tickets, passengers are allowed to book tickets up to 130 days in advance and receive SMS alerts. Honorable Speaker Madam, based on the trend of utilization funds, railway stations has pegged its capital rupees 45 lakhs 7,097 crores. The government has provided security helpline number 182 and 138. In this regard, also 400 railway stations are receiving CCTV cameras. Adding to this, the trains are having pink zones, that is compartments reserved only for women, just to improve security helplines, especially security in women. Thank you.
मैडम ये सब कर कर आपने हम पर कोई एहसान नहीं किया है। ये गर्व से मत कहिए कि हमने ये किया वो किया, इसे आपको बहुत पहले ही कर देना चाहिए था।
Question number 104. Ministry of Education and Science will answer query to Mufti who is member of non-treasury bench.
Ministry of Education must ensure strong grip and governance on the educational policies, regulations, systems across the country. Does your Ministry of Education really has any root level plan on paper plan? संसद में बैठने वालों से ये मुझ गरीब की गुजारिश है। संसद में बैठने वालों से ये मुझ गरीब की गुजारिश है। हर बच्चा अच्छी शिक्षा पाने का रखता ख्वाहिश है। इस सपने को आपकी सरकार कभी पूरी जिंदगी में भी पूरा कर पाएगी? हाँ या ना में जवाब दीजिएगा, या अभी भी मौन व्रत रखेंगी? उम्मीद और विश्वास का छोटा सा बीज हमारी शिक्षा होती है और इसे पूरा करने के लिए हमने आप लोगों को मौका दिया है। शिक्षा एक वरदान है जिसको पाने की ख्वाहिश में हजारों ने दिया बलिदान है, और इस बलिदान को पूरा करने के लिए ये जिम्मेदारी आप लोगों की है।
ऑनरेबल स्पीकर मैडम, हमारी सरकार जितना बोलती है उससे 100 गुना ज्यादा करती है, पर आप लोग अपनी आंखों में पट्टी बांध रखती है और कानों में रुई डालकर बैठ जाती है। ऑनरेबल स्पीकर एंड रेस्पेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ द हाउस, एज अ मिनिस्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड साइंस, our vision and education is for all is our main determined target. Our main idea is to make all the states literate and increase literacy rate from 5 years to 18 years. Madam Speaker, as a minister of this government, every girl child should get educated with all basic amenities, food, clothing, uniform and sanitary pads, and giving them scholarship at all levels. We also continue to provide a sound basic system at pre-primary and secondary school levels, which would equip students with the ability to recognize and realize their potential development. To provide intensive HIV or AIDS education in schools and training institutions, to sensitize youth communities to HIV and AIDS and faster preventative measures.
Many students face problems while moving from one schooling to another. And what about the literacy rate of below poverty line students and their basic units of education? Does your government really has any plan on paper plan? If it is, let us know. सरकारी स्कूल अपनी किस्मत पर रोता है, सरकारी अस्पताल हर वक्त बीमार होता है, गरीब अच्छी शिक्षा और स्वास्थ्य खोते हैं और आप इस संसद में सोते हैं। क्या आप इस पर भी कुछ कहना चाहेंगी या सपने दिखाकर फिर चले जाएंगे?
जन्म लेते वक्त हर कोई रोता है, जीवन में कुछ ना कुछ हर कोई खोता है। सफलता के बुलंदियों पर वही हुआ चढ़ता है, सफलता के बुलंदियों पर वही हुआ चढ़ता है जिसमें रिस्क लेने का साहस होता है। हम रिस्क लेते हैं और पूरा करते हैं, ना आप लोग रिस्क लेते और ना
ये
पूरा
रिस्क
करते।
लेने का काम हमारा नहीं है, आप लोगों का है।
इसीलिए तो हम रिस्क लेते और पूरा भी करते हैं। We are strengthening the capacity of the ministry to plan, manage and evaluate the education system more effectively. Madam Speaker, our government on record is very clear in our future policies and goals. हमारा जो लक्ष्य है 1 मिलियन से लेकर 1 बिलियन तक पूरे राष्ट्र को डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म में लाना है। Cultivating 1 million strong digital talent, learning innovation all as future talent. Greater college autonomy leads to dynamic future hubs. Greater government responsibility over education to resolve educational gaps, the era of local universities and colleges. Today we are moving to motion to get the bill passed for long-term digital talent schools sophisticated to technical schools and colleges. Thank you.
Those who are in the favor of the government, please say A. A. Those against the government, please say nay. Nay. We have 50:20 ratio, and I think the A's have it, the A's have it, and the A's have it. The motion moved. Question number 105. Ministry of Women and Child Development will answer query to Siddharth Jha, who is member of non-treasury bench.
Honorable Speaker, Madam and respected House members, the major policy initiative undertaken by the Ministry into the recent past, ICDS and Kishori Shakti Yojana launching a nutrition program for adults and girls and establishment of the Commission for Protection of Child Rights and attachment of Protection of Women and Domestic Violence Act.
Honorable Madam Speaker and respected House members, what about the Women's Commission for Women and Welfare Schemes? मैडम, आपकी बातें सिर्फ हवा में है, आप कहते कुछ और है और करते कुछ और है, लेकिन अब आपको सुनना भी होगा और करना भी होगा। देश कब तक चुप बैठेगा, कब तक हम लोग डर कर बैठेंगे और कब तक वो लोग हमें डरा कर बैठाएंगे?
Madam Speaker, our government is sincerely working in 6 welfare schemes.
What about the other schemes?
Sir, first let me complete my point. First one, National Institute of Public Cooperative and Child Development. Second one, National Commission for Women. Third one, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Fourth one, Central Adaptation Resource Authority. Fifth one, Central Social Welfare Board. Sixth one, Rashtra Mahila Cake.
Madam Speaker, I want to know from the Ministry of Women and Child Development that where are the actual policies? कहाँ है? Point 1, immoral traffic in women, nutrition plan, and third one, indecent representation of the dowry system still there. सच्चाई बोलिए, फिर झूठ मत बोलिए।
Madam Speaker, reference from the United Nations National Nutrition Policy, National Plan of Commission for Nutrition and National Nutrition Mission. First one, Immoral Traffic in Women and Girls Act 1956, as amended up to 1986, will punish them very severely and also very clear motive is complete safeguard of women. Second one, the Indecent Representation of Women's Prevention Act 1986, 60 of 1986, very severe punishment. Third one, the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, 28th of 1961. Fourth one, the Commission of Sati Prevention Act 1987, 3rd of 1988, including the administration of criminal justice in regard of offences under this act. Thank you.
Question number 106. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare will answer query to Kushmita, who is member of non-treasury bench.
Honorable Speaker, with the respected Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, did really have any public health system or all said and done but nothing is in action? कोई कंट्रोल प्रोग्राम है या फिर इसमें डोपी उसके सर वाला सिस्टम है? Why can't our health system have medical coding system? Are we really serious about healthcare and welfare of our society? कहानी तो मत बताइए, हमें फैक्ट्स बताइए और आपका कामकाज बताइए। Honorable Madam Speaker, our government and the Ministry of Health and Welfare is responsible for family welfare and program relating to family planning in India. Madam Speaker, ना हम टोपी पहनते ना हम किसी को टोपी पहनाते हैं। जितना हमसे होता है उतना हम करते हैं, बल्कि 100 गुना ज्यादा करते हैं। मगर आप लोग देखते ही नहीं, आप लोग देखना ही नहीं चाहते। We are truly committed for
health and welfare during COVID-19 24/7 to give all the basic needs physically handicapped and family.
After COVID-19 pandemic, till today's date, any control programs and prevention of another pandemic. I would like to draw the attention to the House. Will the respected Ministry of Health give us data?
National Medical Commissioner revised National TB Control Program, Post COVID-19 Eradication Program, and Central Grants Standard Control Program, National Program for Prevention and Control of Deadness, National Program of Control of Blindness. Our government also working on a training program that will be proved to be very effective in consolidation the experience of COVID period.
Madam Speaker, I have an objection.
Objection overruled.
But I have an objection, Madam.
Madam, please maintain the parliament decorum. Question number 107. Ministry of Agriculture will answer query to Harshita, who is member of non-treasury bench.
Honorable Speaker, Madam, I would like to put forward a report given by NCRB under the cycle of farmer suicide or accidental death. The report reaches attains the major come of farmer suicide and endless family problem, indebtedness of bankruptcy. किसानों की हालत तो पूछना ही मत. We will ask questions about farmers. Our Minister of this House is speechless. क्या हो रहा है ये देश के किसानों के साथ? बताइए. चुप ही रहेंगे या कुछ कहेंगे भी?
Honorable Speaker, Madam, हमारी सरकार से जितना हो रहा है हम उतना कर रहे हैं, बल्कि हम हमारा काम तो पूरा कर रहे हैं, पर आप लोग को ये दिखता नहीं, आप देखना ही नहीं चाहते. Our government providing them subsidies and adequate prices for farmers' products, and farmers promoted them high-level agriculture schemes through nation agriculture schemes, and also collaborative freedom for farmers.
मैडम स्पीकर, किसान हमारे देश की प्रगति करने वाले में सबसे पहले आते हैं. आप कोई ऐसा नहीं कर रहे हैं. It is a permanent duty of your government to take very serious on farmer welfare issues. Why does farmers need to purchase high-priced seed from big short company? Monetary stress are increased after demonetization. I request let there be no stress on farmers, monetary or loan issue. And why there is no plan B when plan A flops? Why farmers have to pay the price or end their life? जब मुसीबत में है देश की किसान, तो कैसा कहूँ मेरा भारत देश है महान.
आपको अगर लगता है कि हमारी सरकार सो रही है, ये तो आपकी गलतफहमी है. आपको लगता है कुछ नहीं कर रहे, तो एक बार इस पद पर बैठकर देखिए, आपको पता चलेगा कौन सो रहा है और कौन नहीं. हम सो नहीं रहे. हम सो नहीं रहे. अगर हम सो रहे तो हमारा भारत देश इतनी ऊंचाई छू नहीं सकता. Honorable Speaker, Madam, I agree. Demonetization was burden. Let me tell you that change comes from the pen, and that pen lacks become the game. For farmers, many development schemes have been opened. Cooperative banks survived digital in the span of year. 1900 crore rupees in Kisan Yojana been fixed. We therefore promise to improve the quality and quantity for farmers to use also scientific methods of farming. इंडिया कितना भी डिजिटल हो जाए, रोटी गूगल से डाउनलोड नहीं होगी. इंडिया कितना भी डिजिटल हो जाए, रोटी गूगल से डाउनलोड नहीं होगी. वो तो किसान की मेहनत से ही मिलेगी. Question number 108. Ministry of Telecommunication will answer query to Kusuma, who is member of non-treasury bench.
Honorable Speaker, Madam, हमारा देश आसमान की ऊंचाइयों की ओर जा रहा है. ये तो पूरी दुनिया जानती है, लेकिन इसका एक दूसरा पहलू भी है. आपकी सरकार मेक इन इंडिया, डिजिटल इंडिया, आत्मनिर्भर भारत किस तरह जनता को चक्कर में डाल रही है, स्पेशली कॉमन मैन को.
मैडम, ये क्वेश्चन नंबर है, तो सीधे सवाल ही पूछिए, इधर उधर की बातें मत कीजिए.
स्पीकर मैडम, जी हम वही तो कर रहे हैं. In our nation today also some places do not have electricity and they have not seen computers too. Tell me in this situation, सरकार जो योजनाएं बना रही है, उसे कैसे साकार बना सकते हैं?
Honorable Speaker, Madam, the main reason to introduce Digital India is to reduce paperwork, so that citizens of this country can get used to technology and different apps for their social beneficiary. All implement information through Digital India is to reach every citizen of this country as quickly as possible through internet. Both urban and extreme rural can get access. आपस में जोड़ना है, इसी उद्देश्य को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमने 1 जुलाई 2015 इस पहल की शुरुआत की थी और 2019 तक इसे पूरा करके सारी जानकारी को सही तरीके से हासिल करना है और हर सिटीजन को मदद मिले. This is a platform where Seva service and information technologies companies can get the benefit for their 1 crore rupees we have kept sanctioned. We are also committed to make our telecom industry next level 5G to 6G network. Our forthcoming attraction to send highly developed satellite for telecommunication specifically in first half of the decade. Thank you.
Question number 109. Ministry of Road Transport will answer query to Mufti, who is member of non-treasury bench.
Honorable Madam Speaker, road transport is considered to be one of the most cost-effective and preferred mode of transport for freight and passengers, keeping in view its level of penetration into polluted areas.
मैडम स्पीकर, रोड एक्सीडेंट्स एंड रोड सेफ्टी फॉर्मुलेशन प्लान आपकी सरकार सीरियसली नहीं ले रही है. इतनी गंभीर बातें आप कैसे भूल जाते हैं? इमरजेंसी केयर होना चाहिए. इसे रोकने के लिए आपकी बातों में सेफ्टी रिलीफ सर्विस सुनने में अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन हकीकत में सब गायब है. हर बार की तरह आप कुछ भी बोलकर बात बदल नहीं सकती. इस बार सही जवाब की उम्मीद करती हूँ और जवाब तो देना ही होगा. मालिक का पैसा, ड्राइवर का पसीना, चलती है सड़क पर बनकर हसीना. आपकी सरकार हमारे हसीन सपनों को पूरी तरह करने में नाकामयाब है. पता नहीं आपकी सरकार क्या कर रही है.
मैडम स्पीकर, हमारा कार्य इतना अच्छा है कि मुझे सुनने में खुशी हुई है कि आपको सुनना अच्छा लगता है. The important schemes, National Highway Accident Relief Service schemes, NHARSS, refreshing training to heavy vehicle drivers in unorganized sectors. The Ministry formed 5 separate working groups on 4 E's of road safety via first education, second enforcement, third engineering, road as well as vehicle, and fourth emergency care. Advanced Road Aid Traffic Management System Sky UTM. The ministry-wide notification has issued accepted battery-operated vehicles as well as methanol fuel or ethanol fuel, bio-CNG, bio-LNG, electric vehicles and hydrogen fuel constantly receiving emission norms to reduce pollution. हम बातों के साथ साथ काम और हम जब काम करते हैं तो बातें तो होती ही हैं.
Madam Speaker, in spite of all these assurances given by the government, on the ground, the petrol and diesel prices are skyrocketing. क्या this is new India? What about common man and other middle class section? पेट्रोल डीजल की कीमत तो आपने दूध को दही बना दिया है. हमें ये डर लगने लगा है कि सपनों में भी हमें पेट्रोल और डीजल नहीं मिलेगा. गरीब इंसान गाड़ी खरीदने से नहीं डरता है, आजकल वह पेट्रोल भरवाने से डरता है. आम जनता के गुस्से का पारा चढ़ रहा है जैसे जैसे पेट्रोल डीजल का दाम बढ़ रहा है, और आप है कि पेट्रोल और डीजल का दाम बढ़ाते ही जा रहे, बढ़ाते ही जा रहे और बढ़ाते ही जा रहे. थैंक यू.
मैडम स्पीकर, दूध और दही पेट्रोल की कीमत तय नहीं करता है. मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि असली ज्ञान वही है, मानना है कि हर किसी को अपने ज्ञान का अभिमान तो होता है. असली ज्ञान वही है जिसे अपने अभिमान का ज्ञान होता है. Madam Speaker, petrol and diesel prices are fixed in international market. It depends on inflation and deflation of international crude oil. सपने वही देखते हैं जो जागकर उस सपने को सही बनाते हैं, और हमें देश के हर पैसेंजर की सुविधा को पूरा करने के लिए अपनी पूरी जी जान लगा देंगे. Through this session, I would like to thank one and all. Thank you.
Question number 110. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting will answer query to Soumya, who is member of non-treasury bench.
Honorable Madam Speaker, today this information and technology, they are extreme rural parts in India are good. They never ever seen any electronical gadgets. So how the cyber service and information can really reach out? Before making Digital India platform, the government must should be made rural and extreme rural first.
The questions and doubts which you have raised has already started the groundwork to reach and those unreachable, the rural and extreme rural. यानी कि भारत ब्रॉडकास्ट नेटवर्क लिमिटेड ने यूनाइटेड टेलीकॉम लिमिटेड को 2 लाख से ज्यादा गांव फाइबर टू होम ब्रॉडबैंड तथा गिगाबिट प्रोसेसिंग ऑप्टिकल लिमिटेड to reach not only urban but also to reach rural. Madam Speaker, after listening to this, I like to quote some lines of a song. छोड़ो कल की बात है पुरानी, नए दौर से लिखेंगे हम नए कहानी, हम हिंदुस्तानी।
आप लोग कब तक नए कहानी बोलते ही रहेंगे और हम सुनते ही रहेंगे। Madam Speaker, our media and our cinema will have to play very important role cultivating culture and discipline of the film and television serials. Respect information and broadcasting minister कोई भी एक प्लान है to censor violence and baddest movies या मुंगेरी लाल के हासिल सपने यानी कि कहानी पुरानी नहीं और नए किरदार। आपकी गवर्नमेंट को कोई रोक टोक क्यों नहीं करती?
Our censor board certifies for taste movies, a certificate, and we are also committed to censor all cultureless movies and clips. Our main motto is to send positive message to all social groups. We are also committed to censor close all dirty apps and any kind of uncultured clips. Our government very seriously putting an end to all racial abuse movies. Eventually, it is our duty to stay away from all unhabited apps and other social groups. Thank you.
Question number 111. Ministry of Civil Aviation will answer query to Manish, who is member of non-treasury bench.